Welcome to Acorn Arboricultural Services Safety Training Day. We do this twice a year to make sure our employees are well versed in any type of safety training that they may need to execute when they're on the job. Today you're going to be watching our guys practice their aerial rescue training, as well as learning and refreshing their skills on chipper safety and chainsaw safety. The reason we practice this and execute these safety training sessions is so when and if an accident occurs on the job site, our guys are ready. In many cases, when an accident occurs, is not the time to figure out how to be trained, but you need to be trained ahead of time so you can be calm and act accordingly. Tree work requires working in trees, off the ground, with equipment that can not only cut trees but cut us very badly, very quickly. Our workers are exposed to falls, crushing from falling, moving, lowering of tree parts, electrical contacts with electrical conductors, lacerations from cutting equipment, as well as running into beehives or other kinds of animals that nest in trees. Why safety? Because we work in one of the most hazardous occupations in the United States. Here's some statistics for you. Arboriculture results in 35 deaths per 100,000 workers a year. All other industries in the United States combined average 4 fatalities per 100,000 workers a year. So we are 8 times higher than most other industries in the United States when it comes to fatalities. An arborist's chance of injury at work is 1 in 1,200, 3 times higher than that of police or firefighters. The risk of serious accident, which would result in 2 or more days in the hospital or death for a tree worker, is 1 in 120, and 6% of our accidents result in death to the tree worker. So we do work in a very hazardous profession, and therefore safety is of the utmost importance. However, all that being said, tree work can be done safely and competently by properly trained personnel. Again, that's why we're having these safety training days. Not only are the employees properly trained in safety, but they're qualified to do the job by training in climbing and or other certifications they attain. They use proper tools and equipment and well-maintained tools and equipment, and they follow technically correct practices and procedures when they're doing their work. What you're going to see now is our guys executing aerial rescues. We have an aerial rescue dummy that we suspend in the tree, and the guys take turns going up and rescuing or bringing the dummy down safely, communicating with the dummy and communicating with the co-workers on the ground during the rescue. Okay, over my left shoulder here, you'll see our guys doing their chipper orientation training. We train on chippers all the time. It's something we use constantly, and we're just re-evaluating and reorientating the guys on their chipper safety. Chainsaws are used every day by these guys, and chainsaws are responsible for more injuries in the United States than any other power tool out there, both homeowners and professionals. So chainsaw safety is very important, and we train on it constantly. After watching this video, I hope you feel confident hiring a well-trained tree crew from Acorn Arboricultural Services to come out and work on your trees.